Some termites cultivate their own food source, a special type of fungus that thrives at 31 degrees Celsius. These termites build mounds with ingenious architecture that keeps the temperature inside constant. During the night, cold air is trapped inside the mound to be released slowly throughout the day. Let's apply this concept to buildings. Current ventilation systems waste vast amounts of energy. By using a ventilation system similar to the termites, we would utilize free, non-polluting sources of energy. The construction of these buildings will have an immense positive impact on our environment.